Hi, we're in Denval Industrial Park in Epping 1 today. Epping 1 in Cape Town. Denval Industrial Park offers units of mainly less than 500 square meters. Most of the units face onto wide open areas, which is excellent for truck loading and offloading. The park also has 24-hour security. The industrial market in Cape Town at the moment currently offers a very short supply of industrial units. Denval Industrial Park is no exception. Units don't come to the market very often in these parks.